Hey guys, welcome back. Today we're going to do another HelloFresh meal. We got some cheesy chicken pepper fajitas. Cheesy chicken pepper fajitas. Hopefully this goes good. It says 10-minute prep, 30-minute cook, 730 calories. And we're going to get right to it. See what comes in the bag. Tortillas. We got some tortillas. Get a little closer. We got tortillas. We got a pepper. Got an onion. Monterey Jack. Some sour cream. Southwest blend spices. Tomato. Tex-Mex paste. A lime. That's it. That's what we got. That's it. Oh wait. We gotta use some kind of meat, no? Chicken breast strips. 10-ounce chicken breast strips. We'll go get that. There it is. There it is. Chicken breast strips. Okay. Pan ready. Okay, what do we gotta do here? Wash and dry all produce. Wash and dry produce. Okay. This is not looking so fresh, HelloFresh though. I don't know why. You can see this. We just got it. It's all wrinkled up, starting to go, I guess. Unit tomato feels a little squishy to me. But we'll see. We have to complain to HelloFresh about that. It's not very nice of them. Give me stuff that's not fresh. Alright, so diced tomato, half peel, and thinly sliced onion. The tomato though is going to be diced. Dicing, you see? I'm not the best dicer around, I'll tell you that. I'm trying. I'm also not good at this bear claw. Diced. Dice the tomato. Peel and thinly slice half of an onion. Mince a few slices until you have 2 tablespoons. I think I cut the onion in half the wrong way. Could be. Let's see, that's 2 tablespoons. Okay. Zest and quarter the lime half. Core and thinly sliced green pepper. Zest and quarter a lime. I don't know what zesting means. Zest and quarter the lime. I'll quarter it. Okay, it's quartered. What does it mean? I don't know. Then we're going to have to take this green pepper and thinly slice it after we core it. A lot of seeds in here. Alright, not bad. Okay, I have to thinly slice the green pepper. Okay, got the pepper sliced. Pepper is sliced. Alright, in a small bowl, combine tomato. Alright, let me get a bowl. Small bowl. Combine the tomato. Okay, tomato and the minced onions. Tomato and minced onions. Right here. Tomato and minced onions, and a squeeze of lime juice, salt and pepper. Squeeze of lime. Okay, salt and pepper. Okay, stir in 1 tablespoon of water at a time until mixture reaches a drizzly consistency. We got a tablespoon of water. Okay, stir in water. Drizzly consistency. I don't know what that means. Is it drizzly? I guess. Some of these terms that they give you, I don't know. I don't know about those terms. Drizzly consistency. Drizzle means what? It drips? I don't know. Yeah, it's got a drizzly consistency, I guess. Okay, then in a separate bowl, combine sour cream with a squeeze of lime juice and season with salt and pepper. Stir in a tablespoon of the mixture until it reaches a... Oh, wait a minute. Oh, yeah, I'm failing again. The water was supposed to go in the sour cream to a drizzly consistency, not in here. And that's okay. Okay, we'll do that. We're going to try that again. In this bowl, we got the water's in there, tablespoon. Combine sour cream. Sour cream. Sour cream. It's in there. Another squeeze of lime. Right? Squeeze of lime. Season with salt and pepper again. Okay. And mix till it reaches a drizzly consistency. Okay. That looks pretty good. Drizzly. Okay. Those two items are ready to go. Okay. Now, heat a drizzle of oil in the pan over medium heat with a drizzle of oil. Drizzle of oil. These are cooking measurements, you know. Cooking measurements. Drizzle of oil. Drizzle, 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 drizzle. Okay. Drizzle of oil. Now with this, drizzle of oil in a large pan over medium heat. Okay, got that going. Add in green peppers. Well, it's going to get hot a little first. Add in green peppers and cook till slightly browned or slightly soft in 2 to 3 minutes. Once it gets hot, let's get it hot. Let's get a light on now. Got it, dude. 2 to 3 minutes or until slightly browned. Let's get this baby sizzling. 7 o'clock already. After 2 to 3 minutes, add the sliced onions. Cook, stirring occasionally until veggies are browned and tender 4 to 6 minutes. All right, we got some boiling going on. They're browning up. They're browning up. Another minute, and I'll put the onion. Now the onions. Definitely cut the onion the wrong way. I didn't know there was a right way to cut an onion. Get them cooking. 4 to 6 minutes. It's been about a minute so far. Lost soldiers. No one saw nothing. Did you see that? Get him back in there. Now it says to put in half of the Southwest sauce, Tex-Mex paste. Southwest, here it is. Southwest spice blend. We're only going to use half, because we'll use the other half later. That's about half. And a tablespoon of water, I have already measured it out, and mixed it in. Wow, that water disappeared mighty quick. Seasoning with salt and pepper. Again, the salt and pepper. Okay, season with salt and pepper. Turn off heat and transfer to a plate and wipe out pan. Turn off heat. Transfer it. Pan really doesn't need to be wiped out. It looks pretty clean to me.
When's dinner gonna be ready?
Hey! Don't be talking like that to the chef. That chicken dry.
What's taking so long over here?
Another drizzle of oil.
Didn't he clean your pan? Throw shit everywhere.
I gotta pat the chicken dry.
Chicken dry?
Carry on here. There it is, chicken. Medium heat, add chicken. Medium heat again, add chicken. The remaining Southwest sauce. 3 to 5 minutes or until cooked. It's cooking pretty quick actually, little pieces. I don't know, I recommend cutting some of the bigger ones because they're going to all cook differently, being they're so big. That's a little better. And Tex-Mex paste. And another squeeze of lime. Stir that up. It says 1 to 2 more minutes. So, okay, so it's 7:21. She should be done. Season with salt and pepper. Do that right now. I had to go wash the raw chicken off my hands. Alright, that's done. It's gonna burn. It's gonna have a fail in a minute. Put the tortillas. Chicken and veggies. Plate these things up. Okay. I'm going to attempt to put these together. Let's see. I'm going to put whatever's on mine. I'm going to put it in a low carb wrap. But to make Anne Marie a few. My wife doesn't have to eat the low carb wraps. This. Put some of this. Some Monterey Jack. We're gonna drizzle this mixture. Make them look like tacos. There we have it, tree tacos from HelloFresh. Cheesy chicken and pepper fajitas. Actually, fajitas. I'm sorry, not tacos. Fajitas. We're gonna call my wife to try them out. Let's see what she thinks. Hey, Marie, they're ready. Come on! People are waiting. They're gonna get cold. Hurry up! What do you want me to do while I'm on video? Oh my God.
What washing I have to do? Now? I'm not gonna do it.
This is so important. This is important. Get the wash down. I had to carry the wash basket. That's crazy.
You didn't put the thing on the whole time.
Come on, would you? Please. Before they get cold, I want you to try them. I want the people to see how they are. Wait.
This is how we eat? What the hell?
Well, I'm gonna make mine on a low carb wrap.
What is this?
The cheesy, cheesy chicken and pepper fajitas. What do you think?
Delish.
Delish? She says they're delish. They're delish. Okay, I'm gonna get my low carb wrap. I'm gonna make one big one for me.
Uh-oh. What's the spice?
Why, it's spicy?
Yeah.
Uh-oh.
What is it?
Just something, it didn't say it was spicy. It just said fajita sauce.
Uh-oh. You're not good. There's some spice in it. I think it's a jalapeno. Look at my glasses. Uh-oh. Is it a jalapeno?
Alright, so this whole thing right here is only 6 carbs. 6.
This long green pepper, what is that?
No, that's sweet peppers I put on. It might be the sauce that they had me put on it. You know, the cilantro, whatever the hell it was. I have to read, see what it was called.
What's this?
That's onions and peppers. That's what it is. You want any more chicken on it?
Having no sour cream?
Right there in that bowl. That's all they give you. It's a special mixture.
Oh, it is? Oh, it's... Oh my God.
Monterey Jack. And then we'll put the sour cream mix.
Spicy. Put some.
Mine's gonna be more like a low carb burrito. Oh, you didn't see
Put
me.
it on yourself over there.
See that? Gets everything
That's
in
huge.
there. I'm gonna roll it up. Oh, it's falling apart. These bread things aren't that good. I'll have to eat it like that.
There you go. I have to watch you eat.
No, I just want them to see me try it in the burrito. Thing.
Hold the end.
Falling apart.
Hold the end.
Mmm. Yeah, it's got a little kick to it.
Mm-hmm.
Must have been the sauce they gave you, the Southwest sauce. Pretty good, guys.
Save the recipe. What's that red sauce, I think?
Very good.
It's called Southwest sauce.
Alright guys, thanks for watching. That was another HelloFresh meal. Cheesy chicken and pepper fajitas. Takes about, what, 10 minutes to prep and maybe 30 minutes to cook. Not that bad.
Just know it's got spice.
It's a little spicy, you know, got a few complaints from my customers. Anyway, thanks for watching. Don't forget to subscribe, and I'll see you guys next time.